Hello, welcome back to GS Simple. In this video I will show you how we can identify the highest and lowest value in a digital terrain model. This is a digital terrain model representing the elevation of the ground in Sicily. And as you can see from the information that shows up, the information that show up in the table of content in ArcMap, the highest value of this raster is 3,310 meters, and the lowest value is minus 12. Maybe we are interested in finding the specific location whose elevation is 3,310 meters. We will do this using the Raster Calculator. We search for this tool, Raster Calculator, and so we click on the digital terrain model representing Sicily on our layer, and in this field we will input a quite simple expression. So we want ArcGIS to locate the pixel in the Sicily digital terrain model whose value is equal to 3,310 meters. And I will show you in a couple of seconds what will be the output of this operation. We give the name of the output raster, the pattern name, so it will be something like maximum. We click OK. So what we get is this binary raster. In this raster, the cells of this raster are storing just two values. 0 is stored by the cells that didn't met this criteria. So the cells for which the elevation is not 3,310, 1 is stored by the cells, actually I think just one cell, who's the cell that is meeting this condition, this criteria. So in order for us to spot this cell, we can reclassify the raster using the Reclassify tool. The input raster will be the raster that we obtain through the Raster Calculator, and we reclassify the values, so the 0 values will be assigned no data, and the 1 value will be give again a value of 1. We give a name to the output raster, maximum max reclassified. You click OK. So we will have a new raster, which is barely visible, just containing a value for the location whose elevation was 3,310 meters. And then we can transpose this raster to a point, raster to point. The input raster will be the reclassified raster, and the output point will be the point with the highest elevation value. Let's run the tool. So this point is the one corresponding to the cell whose elevation is equal to 3,310 meters. If we click again and reactivate on the DTM layer, you can see that this point falls almost on top of the Etna. The Mount Etna is, as you may know, an active volcano. And so this point is the one corresponding to the maximum elevation in this digital terrain model representing Sicily. If we want to cross-check this, we can extract the value of the underlying raster to this point and see if the elevation of this point is actually 3,310 meters. So we go on our search facility, we search for extract values extract multi-values to point. The input point feature is max. The raster is our Sicily DTM. We click OK. We open the attribute table of the point feature, and as you can see, the stored value, the extracted value is 3,310 meters. We could do the same for any value within the range of the DTM elevation values, and we could do the same, for example, for the lowest elevation within this raster, which is -12. That's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumb up, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.